Someone here really thought that they were slick. That is what Spirit is telling me. You've alchemized all the negative energy that they sent towards you, Divine Collective. Emotional purging needed. Using lessons learned. I don't know about all of you, but lately I've been sharing my sacral chakra experience with all of you, my sacral chakra healing, and I've just been purging, Divine Collective. Emotional purging, crying, okay? And it feels so good. It feels absolutely amazing, okay? Emotional purging needed, using lessons learned. Keep alchemizing all the negative energy, Divine Collective. Spirit is saying that these are cowards. They sent their saints in, their saints, their spirits to fight you. These are cowards, okay? Whoever this is, they're not healing at all. Spirit says they don't want to change, all right? That is why it is very beneficial for you to do some emotional purging here. Maybe it's you that is, you know, holding on to someone's energy, just trying to give them the benefit of the doubt, thinking that, you know, they're going to heal, they're going to change. Whatever the case may be, Divine Collective, this person is not healing, okay? They don't want to change. They just want to come in because of status. It's something about your star status that I'm picking up on, Divine Collective. They want to come in and date the star. You being the star. That's what I'm picking up on in the energy. It's time to learn to let go. Someone, it's very beneficial. I can't tell you what to do, Divine Collective, okay? This is your path alone. But it's time to learn to let go. Accept and learn things accept and learn that certain things, Divine Collective, are out of your control, and be comfortable with being uncomfortable, okay? I do see here that someone is obsessively observing you, trying to figure you out, Divine Collective. Very much in your energy here. These people are all sick from the spell work they've been trying to send your way, Divine Collective. I'm really not sure at what point they're going to get it and stop. They're extremely sick. All of this spell work has returned back to sender. And now they are, some of these people that I'm picking up on, the energies, Divine Collective, they are heeding wise counsel now that you've healed. They're, you know, looking for any type of advice here, heeding wise counsel. They want to get out of the situation now that they've been caught. They have nowhere to run. They have nowhere to hide, Divine Collective. Mercury retrograde. It's time to eliminate, transmute. Transfer of wealth is here. Yeah, right next to emotional purging. So what this is telling me is that there's some things that you need to let go of and make room for so that the new can make its way in, Divine Collective. Maybe decluttering, eliminating. Gemini energy. Mercury retrograde is here. Your path is protected, Spirit says. Someone may be losing a lot of stuff, Divine Collective. Whoever this is, they're very jealous. They're trying to block your money here. They're losing a lot of things. It's your ancestors. They're playing with this person. They're taking things from this person and putting them in other places. So, Divine Collective, you have spiritualists that when someone does them wrong, they will most definitely do spell work. And then you have other spiritualists where they will ask their ancestors, I don't want nothing bad to happen. I just want you to mess with them, okay? And that's what I'm getting in this reading. You have someone who's like, I don't want you to do nothing bad to them, but just mess with them a little bit, right? So we have some ancestors here moving things around in someone's house, Divine Collective. Your ancestors said that this person is so petty. All right, whoever this is, Divine Collective, the spell work that they were doing on you was spell work so that you would eat fast food every day, so that you would get sick, possibly high cholesterol. Wait, this was their, what is that, like their prayer? Is that a prayer? Like, how do you do spell work like that? I'm sorry. What? You know what's wild is I know I told you guys about a month ago I was eating a lot, but I know enough to know that's not my energy. However, I was, right? The food was tasting really good. You know, I wasn't eating out. I was cooking a lot, Divine Collective. But this card also tells me, Divine Collective, that eating out isn't healthy either. Okay, so you shouldn't be eating out every day because for some reason this card is connecting fast food with being very sick. Okay, so just be cautious of what you're putting into your vessel. Try to stop eating so much fast food if you are, Divine Collective. I've been fasting, right? Not saying you need to. With me, Divine Collective, my body tells me when I need to. You know, my journey will often guide me on if I need to be fasting or not. So, you know, Don't do these things because I'm doing them, Divine Collective. Allow God to guide you first and foremost, but you have to be listening to your intuition and to your own body, okay? You have to continue being your most authentic self here. This is new territory, Spirit says. Spirit says that a lot of you are so heavily invested into what it is that you're doing. I'm still picking up on this energy that's so obsessed with you. They're obsessively observing you because you're beautiful, Divine Collective. You are so beautiful, so very gifted. Let go of resentment. Spirit says that it's blocking the flow of love. Okay? This is, whoever is holding on to resentment, this is messing with your health. Okay? Let go of resentment. It's blocking the flow of love, Spirit says. Messing with someone's health. Okay? Resentment, Divine Collective. Spirit says the key is to knowing that you deserve better. Refusing to stay in an illusion. You are the key. Your finances are increasing, Divine Collective. Again, the key is you knowing that you deserve better. I often speak about this, Divine Collective. We are programmed from birth. I feel this way. I can't speak for everybody, but I believe we're programmed from birth to, as we get older, you know, lose our worth, so to say, if I'm saying that correctly. The world wants to make us feel like we're not worthy. I guess that's what I'm trying to say. And I feel like the older you get, the more that life form is siphoned from you, if that makes any sense. So the key is to reprogramming your brain, Divine Collective. At least it was for me. And waking up every day and looking in the mirror and telling myself that I deserve better, that I love myself, that I'm beautiful. Like saying those positive affirmations, Divine Collective. Again, reprogramming your brain, and telling yourself that you're worthy so much that one day you start to believe it. Okay? Because you are the key, Spirit says. You are the key. 714 could be of significance. Spirit says that earth angels still curse. Okay? Don't be out here condemning his children, he said, because they say a curse word, or they say words that, you know, others would deem not good or appropriate words. Spirit is saying, earth angels curse. Leave my children alone, okay? Let them tell their story how they see fit. Trouble on the global front.